log of b in base a is equal to x. So what you're looking for here, the answer that you're looking for is actually what is that number? If you elevate a at will be equal to b. All right. So this is what you need. A elevated to that number will equal b. So I'm gonna go with an illustration here. So log of 125 in base 5, what is the answer? Okay. How do you get the answer here? What you need here is to take 125, so you write there 125. All right, you divide it by the number. So let's go there. So which number do we need to divide 125 with? The lowest is 5, not 3, not 2, not 4, 5. So 125 divided by 5 give us 25. What is the lowest number that you need to divide 25 with? Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. To get a different number, because if you divide with 1, you're gonna get 25. So again, 5. Then here we're gonna get 5. Now 5, what is the lowest number that you need to divide 5 with to get a different number? Not 2, not 3, not 4. So 5 again, we're gonna get here 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So now we count 1, 2, 3. So basically we have 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 125. Now our answer comes log of 125 in base 5 is equal to 3. So this is what you're looking for. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.